Okie dokie, y'all, what is up? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you had a great week. Hope y'all are good. This is going to be a follow-up video to me having my Craft & Lore port wallet for about, I think it's over a month. So, let's jump into it. I want to make this one kind of quick because I know the leather care video was a bit of a longer one, but that is okay. If you have heritage goods, you got to take care of them. It's a thing. Craft & Lore wallet. It cost me about 80 bucks with shipping and conversion because I'm in Canada. And let me tell you, it is patinaed beautifully for me just being around the house. I mess with it all the time. I'm rolling it through my hands and all that to try to build up the oils and that kind of thing. I'm also using Obenaufs on it currently, but I have some balm coming from Craft & Lore, so I'm going to be switching over to that because Obenaufs, as I mentioned before, darkens leather really fast, and I don't want that to happen. The goods. It's honestly inexpensive for a handmade wallet. They could be charging 150 bucks a wallet for this stuff. I mean, I know they're close to that for the Cordovan, and I know the Chrome Excel versions are a little more expensive, but they're worth every penny. They're fantastic dudes, and it's honestly, you're supporting small businesses, so it's worth it. So the goods, it's relatively inexpensive. It's built like a tank. You can just tell by the size of the stitching they're using and the way the stitching looks. I've heard you can fit about 15 cards in there. I've only got, well, let's see, 2, 5. I've got 6 cards in it, and it's sitting beautifully. I don't know what else there is to say about it. It's worth every freaking penny. It's great. The guys are great, and it serves a purpose. It's slim. The other thing that I really like is if I have my wallet and my phone in the same pocket, I don't have to worry about the magnet money clip like my Fossil has. I don't have to worry about the magnet screwing with my phone electronics at all. Primo. So, basics about it, I got the Russet. I think it's one of the newer ones, the newer tannery they're using or something. I can't remember. The port, but it's Russet. So, that's all the good stuff about it. Now, the one thing that I'm not a gigantic fan of, let me show you. That is actually the only thing that I don't like about it, is that the front pocket of cards. It might also be that I put a bunch of extra cards in when I was shooting it when I first got it, so it stretched the leather to a thicker gauge. And I've only got 2 cards. I got my credit and my debit card in there. But honestly, it's not a gigantic deal breaker. Like, I can't wait to get a pair of their boots eventually once I get working again. That's about the only thing that I'm not a gigantic fan of on the wallet is the front pocket, and that's the only one that does it, slides back and forth card-wise. Other than that, you know what? I'm super glad that I bought it because the guys are fantastic, the product is fantastic, and they have glorious beards. Hashtag beard goals. Anyway, guys, that's about it at this point. I would highly recommend you pick up some gear from them, whether it's a wallet. They make multiple different types. They have, oh, you name it, Field Notes, or Field Note. They have Field Note, the notebook leather wraps and all that kind of thing. They make belts, key cuffs, cufflinks, all this kind of stuff. It's crazy. Not cufflinks, wrist wraps. You know what I mean. Bracelets, that's what I was looking for. Genius. Anyway, you guys definitely need to go grab yourself some Craft & Lore gear because it is so worth the money, and yeah, it's freaking dope. I am loving my wallet. It's starting to get a bit more patina because now most of the times I just leave it in my short pocket, or if I wear jeans during the day around the apartment, I just leave it in there to pick up as much patina as I can because I'm not out and about. So it's a thing. Anyway, y'all, I got some more videos coming down the pipeline, but I will see you in the next one. If you like what you're seeing, like, share, subscribe, notification bell thing, because why not? Then you'll never miss an upload. And I'll leave all my links down below, as well as some whatever affiliate links I can find for their gear on Amazon. And stay smoky, stay toasty, and stay inside. That's yikes. Anyway, peace.